resource person, and someone who has shaped life skills education, alternative approaches to homework, and even learning through games.
She has received the Best Educator Award North Zone by EQFI at the India Education Award and has proudly represented India at the Educational Leaders Exchange Program with Australia.
Today, she is here to share what she calls the power code of parenting. तो आए फ्यूचर को थोड़ा पॉज रखें और इस मोमेंट की गहराई में जाते हैं. प्लीज वेलकम मिस मीनाक्षी धिंगरा.
ये आपकी सोच is an opportunity for me as a parenting coach. Isn't it? So this parent also, confused होने के बाद में, knocks the door of a parenting coach.
Welcome to Thappar, the Holistic Academy for Positive Parenting and Discipline, where parents come confused and leave gaslighted. हाँ? तो आपका बच्चा सिर्फ एलेक्सा की सुनता है और आपको इग्नोर करता है. देखिए मैम, दिस इज नॉट डिसोबीडियंस, दिस इज डिवाइस अटैचमेंट डिसऑर्डर. बहुत नॉर्मल है ये. आजकल 98% किड्स दे ट्रस्ट एआई मोर देन देयर ओन डीएनए. यू नीड टू रिकॉर्ड ऑल योर इंस्ट्रक्शंस इन द एआई फिल्टर. दैट्स इट. आपको लगता है ही इज डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग यू, बट ही इज जस्ट एक्चुअली रीब्रांडिंग यू. यू आर नो लॉन्गर ममा एंड पापा. नो, फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन यू आर ऑफिशियली हिज haha human assistant for household alignment. Of course. So please introduce yourself properly the next time. Say hello beta, this is your haha speaking. How may I serve you today? Yeah, I'll send you a research paper. Children who obey Alexa develop higher trust in authority, because Alexa never nags like you do. Choose rack mein rakh diye kya. She will never do that. So don't feel bad. Yeah, lean in. Next time, instead of brush your teeth, just say Alexa, enable dental hygiene protocol of my offspring. That's it. Because parenting is not about love. Parenting is about voice modulation with the algorithmic authority. Yeah, all the best. Yeah.
Yeah, when I saw this, I too laughed. Is this what parenting coaches are doing? No, not us. Not the deep coaches, not at all. We don't do this. But isn't there an overwhelm of parenting advice on the social media? Overwhelm of it. In the effort to talk about parenting, have we actually ended up becoming a parenting industry? Something to think about, isn't it? There is so much of content, so many people, some self-proclaimed ones also, giving so much of gyan that the parent ends up not knowing how to handle the support that the parenting support coaches are offering. And maybe we have to teach them that support also. So I thought, no more strategies, no more gyan, just one mantra, one word. जैसे वो आब्रा का डाबरा होता है ना, आब्रा का डाबरा गिली गिली छू, एक मंत्रा से सब कुछ हो जाता है. And as an educator all my life, I've always tried to make learning easy and simple. I'm a big fan of acronyms. I'm a big fan of wordplay. And that's from where this today's talk has also originated. So I said, what is that one word that can define parenting in totality? We're going to sit with that word today. And that word is I wish to reduce the noise around. Any parent who picks up this word, understands it in totality, and applies it, lives it, will be a great parent. That's the effort. Present, where awareness begins, where action is possible, and where life happens. So if you are all present here, kindly stand up wherever you are. Be your presentable best and turn around 90 degrees. That is, with your back towards me and face towards the other side. Put your hands forward, both hands forward, parallel to the ground. और अब हम सजदा करेंगे. मनीष सर, आप मेरी तरफ देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपकी वैलिडेशन मुझे चाहिए. और अब हम सजदा करेंगे मनीष सर को. मनीष सर, तुसी ग्रेट हो. मनीष सर, तुसी ग्रेट हो. मनीष sir, तुसी great हो. Thank you. You may please turn back. This was just a small gesture of presenting our gratitude to you, Manish sir. Because whatever is being presented here today or will be presented tomorrow is nothing but a representation of whatever we have learned from you. Hope we present a good picture here. I'm so sorry, I'm bad with these here. So what is present? I feel this is one word, but one word which is multi-layered, multifaceted, and has multiple dimensions to it. It is the parenting code which can lead to lasting impact on life. Yeah? So, Vande Mataram, and a very happy morning to you all present here. Let us move forward with this word, which can become the power code of parenting. So how does it become a power code? When does parenting start? When we get the child. Yes? That's when the parenting starts. And सभी हमको यही कहते हैं ना, ईश्वर की कृपा हुई, है ना? तो एक दिन ईश्वर ऊपर से बोले, मोनिका, oh my darling. मोनिका, आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, गिफ्ट देने का बहुत मन कर रहा है. एक कार मांग लो, जो भी मॉडल चाहिए हो. मांगा भी तो क्या फॉर्च्यूनर. I want to give you the best model in cars, the Rolls Royce. अब मैंने तो गिफ्ट दे दिया, उसका ध्यान कैसे रखोगे? नहीं, वो तो अब आपको रखना है. मेरा काम गिफ्ट देना था. आप ध्यान कैसे रखोगे? रोज गाड़ी साफ करोगे? रोज इंजन की आवाज़ सुन करके देखोगे ठीक से काम कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा? कवर करके रखोगे सेफ्टी के लिए? करोगे ना? हाँ, थैंक यू बोलोगे मेरे को? Thank you God for this gift. Yes, you will treasure it. You will enjoy it. Thank you so very much. दूसरे दिन भगवान जी फिर से आ गए. आजकल लॉटरी देने के मूड में थे, है ना? तो बोले, मोनिका, आज एक लिविंग थिंग देने का मन कर रहा है. क्या चाहिए? बेस्ट मॉडल दूंगी मैं आज भी तुमको. ना कोई फ्रॉग, ना कोई डॉग. I will give you a human being as your child. इसका भी वैसे ही ध्यान रखोगे जैसे रोल्स रॉयस का रखा था. We all forget when we become parents that this is the best model that we could have ever got as a present. Yes? So parenting starts by expressing gratitude, being in the feeling of gratitude for this bundle of joy which has been put into our lap. And a promise that I'm going to be handling you with care and love. Another fold of present is being emotionally present. I say it is present. What are you pre-sending to your child is important. And before you send any words, before you send any actions which get seen by the child, you are sending emotions. Oh, just in the morning while driving to this venue, I read Swinji's status. It said, children are mirror neurons. They absorb the emotions. So be very careful of what thoughts are you presenting, what emotions are you presenting. I am being in the present while talking here, but somebody is keeping tap of my time and presenting my slides much in advance. Any which ways, I'm very happy that you all are 100% present here. Are you? Yes. Great. Even they are. So this is very, very important, and I think Manish sir has spoken so much about it, I do not need to explain. I just want to say it means being here completely. शुभ स्कूल से आया और आकर के बोला मम्मी आज ना मैम ने बहुत डांटा. अब मम्मी तो फोन में लगी हुई थी. अच्छा क्यों डांटा? मैम कह रही थी वरुण को इरेजर दे दो, मैंने नहीं दिया. तो तुम वरुण को इरेजर क्यों दोगे? कल ही जाकर के प्रिंसिपल से शिकायत करती हूँ तुम्हारी मैम की. पर मम्मी सुनो, नहीं मैं कल ही जाकर के शिकायत करती हूँ. पर मम्मी वो तो वरुण का इरेजर था. But mummy was not there at all. She was probably really, really busy attending to some professional commitment. You don't know. But in that moment, with the child, she was not 100% present. So this is very, very important. You cannot be busy. You cannot be distracted. You cannot be elsewhere when you are with your child in that time, in that moment. Also, another meaning of now is, where are you operating from? I often operate from the past. हम जब बच्चे थे तब तो ऐसा होता था, हमारी तो हिम्मत ही नहीं होती थी मम्मी पापा के सामने खड़े होकर के कुछ बोलने की. Past parenting experiences. और मुझे पता है ना, लास्ट एग्जाम के टाइम भी तुमने पढ़ाई नहीं करी थी, इस बार नहीं पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, अब देखना इस एग्जाम में भी ऐसे ही नंबर आने वाले. Past blocks. Yes? और fears of the future. पढ़ नहीं रहे हो ना, देखना कल तुम्हारा पता नहीं इसका फ्यूचर क्या होने वाला है, सारा दिन खेलता रहता है. Future fears. And in those moments, we forget the present, which is empowering. And the child, believe you me, lives in the present moment. Child को कोई लेना देना नहीं है कि कल क्या गलती हुई थी और कल क्या गलती होने वाली है. आज बता दो क्या करना है. Another aspect of present is how you present yourself. We all dressed up very well today, na? Because we want it to be presentable. Because people will see us. Your child is seeing you in every moment. So it's very important how you are presenting yourself, your morals, your ethics, your values. The child is observing and the child is absorbing. So how you present yourself is getting noticed. And please, for being in the present, it is very important to trust in the process. Come on, it is a life you are raising. कोई फॉर्मूला थोड़ी है ना कि वो पानी में मिक्स किया गरम करके और पाउडर मिल्क का प्रॉपर फीड बन गया. नहीं. It is a process. It will go through stages. And we have to travel through those stages with the child. So, that is all about it. And we come back to the present, which means the gift. Again, what kind of gifts are we giving to the child? If it is external rewards, it will lead to the child always looking for external validation. अच्छा इतने नंबर लाऊंगा तो ये टॉय मिल जाएगा, उतने नंबर लाऊंगा तो वो टॉय मिल जाएगा. Believe you me, toys and trophies will break, will fade. But if you have been giving gifts in terms of praises, in terms of feelings, in terms of experiences, they will stay with the child forever. And this is just summarizing. I told you I like to make acronyms. So an acronym of present, where you pause before reacting, you regulate yourself first, you engage with attention, you show through action, you embody your values. Now, in the classroom, transforming moments into meanings. These are the 7 points that I just spoke about. And that's what makes you a good parent. When you pause before reacting, you respond, you do not react. When you regulate yourself, you present yourself consciously. When you engage with attention, you show through action, you become an example over explanation. When you embody your values, then you nurture through your presence now in the classroom and you transform the child's whole being. My mantra that I would like you to repeat with me is live present, become the parent, and offer the present. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I forgot. I would like to also give you something from the Japanese. Thank you so much for this standing ovation, but you can save it for 2 minutes later. The Japanese philosophy has samurais. Yes, samurai is a warrior. Parenting is nothing less than being a warrior. काश 10 हाथ 5 सिर होते तो कितना अच्छा होता, शायद पेरेंटिंग आसान हो जाती, नहीं होती, फिर भी नहीं होती. लेकिन हम समुराई एटीट्यूड रख सकते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज अ समुराई एटीट्यूड? कैन अ वॉरियर इन द बैटलफील्ड स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट घर पे बीवी क्या कर रही है, उतनी देर में तो सर कलम हो जाएगा, है ना? सो द समुराई हैज टू बी हियर इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट totally. And in Japanese, they call it genzai. No, it's not Gen Z. It's not Gen Z. It is genzai. Genzai means in the present moment. And Pyozento means gift. So in genzai, we receive and we offer Pyozento. That was it. And thank you.
रॉकिंग इज द वर्ड. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. मैम ने आज बिल्कुल डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस किया. बहुत